Dear students, welcome to the class of Thales theorem. To study the Thales theorem, this much of prerequisite knowledge is very necessary. So let us think about this. Area of the triangle is A equal to half base into height. So this already you know from your primary classes. So this knowledge is very useful to learn this or prove this. The things which are equal to the same thing are also equal to each other. If A equal to B, B equal to C, then A equal to C. This is the very useful axioms most probably we use to prove all the theorem. When we will get the equation number 1, equation number 2, to get 3, so we compare equation number and 1 and 2. So then left sides are equal, then RHS are also equal. By using that A equal to B, B equal to C, then A equal to C. So this is very useful. And the area of two triangles which are on the same base and in between the same parallel lines are equal. So this you have already studied in the 9th standard. So here is a figure show that ABC, ABD and ADC are two triangles which are on the same base AC and in between the AC and BD parallel. So therefore area of triangle ABD equal to area of triangle ADC. So therefore these two triangles are equal. This much of knowledge is enough to prove this theorem. So let us statement: if a parallel line drawn to any one side of a draangle that cuts other two sides in the same proportion. This is our statement of the theorem. If parallel line drawn to any one side of a triangle, it cuts other two sides in the same proportion. For example, here ABC is a triangle. So then this is parallel, XY is parallel drawn to BC. It cuts other two sides, that is A, B and AC, other two sides, equal proportion. That means AX by XB equal to AY by YC. We have to prove this. So now what is given? Given we have triangle ABC and XY parallel to BC. This is given. What we have to prove? We have to prove AX by BX equal to AY by YC. Cuts other two sides in the same proportion means AX by XY cuts other two sides AB and AC in the same proportion. That means AX by BX equal to AY by YC. This is YC. Okay. So now construction is need. So join XC and join BY and draw perpendicular XP to AC and QY to AB. Okay, so this is the construction we need to prove. So next, proof. First, compare the area of triangle AXY and triangle BXY. So that is, this is, first compare triangle AXY and BXY, these two triangles. You know that area of the triangle is half base into height by half base into height. Half cancel. Here base is AX, here BX. So height is AQY by BY. So AX by BX equal to QY and QY are common. So QY, this is the altitude for AXY also, and also altitude for ABX, which is obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse triangle, altitude comes outside the triangle. So therefore they same. So QQ cancel. Then we will get area of triangle AXY by area of triangle BXY equal to AX by BX. Similarly, second part, consider this triangle AXY and AXYC. So similarly take area of triangle AXY by area of triangle XYC, then half base into height, half base AY into height XP. Similarly by half base YC into height same xp. So half cancel, xp cancel. You will get ay by yc. So area of triangle, this triangle is common for both the equation, but these two triangles are different. But these, even though these two triangles are different, these are on the same base xy and in between the same parallel lines xy and bc. So therefore these two areas, these two triangles are equal. So from 1 and 2 we can get ax by bx equal to ay by yc. That is the proof. So similarly here in triangle AXY and BXY, half base into height, half base into height, half cancel, AX by BX, height is YQ cancel, AX by BX, this is equation 1. Similarly, area of triangle AXY and this side, area of triangle CXY, so area of triangle half base into height, half base, half cancel, AY by CY, this height is XP cancel, AY by CY. So here area of the triangle AXY, area of the triangle XY, this is same. Area of the BXY, area of the CXY. These two triangles are on the same base and in between the same parallel lines. Therefore this area is also equal. Therefore this side LHS is equal. Therefore RHS is also equal. From 1 and 2, the things which are equal to the same thing are also equal. So therefore we can get AX by BI equal to AY by CY. So hence the theorem. Therefore if a parallel drawn to any one side of a triangle, it cuts other two sides in the same proportion. This is the Thales theorem. What is the converse of this problem? Converse of this problem is if a line cuts any two sides of a triangle in the same proportion, then it parallel to the third side. Here you have to prove this. I will explain in some other periods. So I think you are clear. So thank you.